All right, guys. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. We're tuning in live from the rooftop of PEPPAZ. So this is our air condition unit slash heater. What I'm gonna do today is I'm gonna take this cover off to see exactly what kind of unit it is. What size unit as far as BTU and the heater. So with the gas lines that we're running, these gas lines right here, Atlanta Gas needs to know how much the BTUs for all our equipment, including the heating. All right. So I have the BTUs for all the equipment downstairs, but I don't have the BTUs for the heater, for the heating for the building. So I'm gonna take this cover off, see if I could find a label with the BTUs. I had looked right here, but there's nothing suggesting BTUs on this. This is for the AC side of it. It has some heater, but it's the electric part of it. It's not for the gas part of it. So I'm going to look in there and see what I find. So give me a few. I'm going to take this off real quick and see what's up. These little things right here, that's what takes them off. So see, I got my drill right here, and then all I gotta do is just take these apart right here. Alright, so see how we take these screws out, and then switch over here. Whoa, I almost turned it over. Alright, let me see if I can do this with one hand, guys. Bear with me, I'm using one hand. I don't think I could do it like this. I'm gonna have to cut and then come back. Alright, so I took that side off. I didn't see any furnace in there. So let me take the other side off and see if I see any kind of furnace. So let's see if we can take the other side off. Alright, so not seeing anything in. Alright guys, so I took everything out of the panels of the unit. There's no furnace inside this unit. It's just all AC. So apparently they didn't put any in there. So with that being said, we have to get one installed, which is not good. Could be costly, more money. So I'm gonna go downstairs and get some more tools and take this panel off just to make sure it's not on this side. I doubt it's on this side though, but I'm just gonna take this panel off and see what I see. So I'll be right back. Alright guys, so we're back up on the roof. That's the unit right there. I'm gonna take the covers off so we could see if there's a heat pump set up in there. So start taking this cover off. I got everything open. So let me take some pictures so I can send it. Alright guys, so I got all the info we needed, took pictures of it, took pictures of the inside, took pictures of the yeah, took pictures of everything pretty much. So we're gonna see. I don't know what a heat pump setup look like, but I'm seeing a heat pump installation book in there, all that stuff, but I'm not sure if it's installed. I don't know what it looks like. So the AC guy was telling me to send pictures. He could tell if there's a heat pump set up in there. No, I'm looking at it and they got a installation book in there, as well as it's got, if you look right here, on here it's got 3-ton heat pump cooling charging chart. It's got the stickers on there, so I'm not sure if one is installed or not. To be honest, me don't know what a heat pump look like. Me not do AC, so I don't really know. So I go back downstairs and see what's going on. I already sent the pictures. There's a cyber truck over there, guys. Yeah. So I go pretty much see what's going on. Alright guys, so let me head down and then I send the pictures to the plumber, to the AC guy. So we're gonna see if there's a heat pump or not. I turned the air on, turned it on heat, and I didn't get any heat, so I'm not sure what's going on here. But let me put this camera in the bag. I'm gonna climb down this ladder right here. It's a far way down there, so I don't want to drop the camera. So let me put the camera up so I could climb up this ladder and go down off the rooftop. I'm on the rooftop right now. Let's get down.